Hi everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. This is Tina with Tina's Craft Creations. I'm on today with a quick project share, not of any specific project, but I made a bunch of sequin mixes and I just wanted to show you guys the mixes that I put together. Now, some of these I did actually use a base starting with a mix that I had either gotten from Rachel or from Magical Mixery Store or Shop, whatever it's called, Magical Mixery Shop, I think it's called on Etsy. And some of them I just created just on my own. So I did name all of them just because I thought that would be kind of fun. But like I said, these, I think like maybe 4 or 5 of them had bases from Rachel or Magical Mixery Shop, but everything else I created on my own. So the first one I created is this mix here. I called it Hey Santa because it really will go with the Hey Santa collection. And I'm hoping that you guys can see everything in the jar okay without too much of a glare, but I don't want to dump anything out just because it's gonna be a huge mess if I do that. But this one I started with a Magical Mixery mix that I had gotten from her shop, and it had those gold, like large gold ones, and it had like a little bit of teal and gold and pink. So I just kind of added to this mix and decided to rename it to Hey Santa because I think this one will go really well with the Hey Santa collection. And I'm not selling these, so you know I don't feel bad renaming them, but that is the first one that I put together. And the reason I did this, I'll just, before I show you the next one, is because I figured it'll make it so much easier for me to get in the habit of making shakers if I have mixes already pre-made. Now, obviously, I do have some mixes from Rachel where I have her subscription and things like that, but I just thought it would be nice to just kind of create some to have like a bulk of. That's why I'm using these jars that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then also, obviously, I'm going to go through all the mixes that I have from her and see what I can create with those as well. But I just wanted to just kind of do something a little different today, so I created a bunch of sequin mixes. Okay, the next one, I also used a mix base from Magical Mixery Shop, and that one was actually called Pastel Christmas, so I just left this one the same. And this one is so pretty. It's like pink and mint, and it's got these gorgeous like little Christmas trees. I hauled it just a few days ago, and it is so pretty. It's got these beautiful like shiny sequin trees, and I just wanted to build off of that mix, and it is so pretty. If you can see everything in there, I'm hoping that this records okay, but I decided to kind of build off that mix and create like a larger stash of it because it's so pretty. So it has snowflakes and everything in it too, so made that one. All right, this one was also a mix that I got from Magical Mixery Shop called Snow Angel, and I just left it the same name. So again, this one has like a dark pink and some mint and light pink and some snowflakes and some iridescent, and it is absolutely beautiful. So I added to that as well. And I just pulled sequins out of my stash that I got from C. Cartwright, things that I got from AliExpress, and things like that. So I just was building layers on top of those base mixes with my stash. Okay, let's see. This one also is a mix that I had gotten from Magical Mixery Shop. It was like a Valentine type mix. I can't remember the name of it because I changed the name and I threw the package away, but this one's got red and pink and gold. It's got these really cute little pink arrows in there. I'm hoping you can see those. But I called this one Heart Day because I figure I'll use this one for Valentine's Day. But super cute, like red, pink, gold, and white mix. So made that one. But yeah, super cute. All right, and I think, let's see, I'm trying to remember. I know I had created one, I think, I'm trying to remember which one it was. I think it was this one. This one I used a base of, this was the Boho Christmas collection that Rachel had in her, one of her recent, I think it was maybe October or November, or maybe it was, yeah, I think it was, I can't remember without going back and looking, but this is an all pink mix and it is absolutely gorgeous. I'm hoping this will show you. I named this one Pink Dream because it is just so pretty. And I'm just hoping that you guys can really see how beautiful these mixes are in the jars that I have them in. So that one. And then I created another pink one. This one is just created just by me. No pre-mix base to start with this one. This one I called it Wild for Pink. And it is another all pink mix. Just beautiful pink. I'm hoping this is not too out of focus. But it is absolutely beautiful. And I figured the reason I wanted some of these bases is because then I can always add to them. If I'm working with a collection that has gold or turquoise, I can add to like maybe a pink mix that I've already created. So I created that one. All right, the next one I created, I called it Regal, and it is a pink and gold mix. So lots of pinks, lots of golds, a little bit of white. But yeah, really pretty, like pink and gold mix. Lots of different shades of pink, different gold sequins. So again, I called it Regal, and I just think it's so pretty. So made that one. This one I think is probably my favorite one because aqua is like my favorite color in the crafting world, I should say. Like, I just love it so much. So I called this one Aqua Sky, and it is just an all aqua mix, and it is so pretty. I love it so much. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's so pretty. So lots of beautiful shades of aqua and some like light teal. But it is, and some clear and some iridescent, and it is just so pretty. So that one. All right. And speaking of pink and turquoise, I created a pink and turquoise mix that I named Delightful. And this one I created a ton of it because we mix with those collections a lot. So this one is a lot of pink and mint and aqua. So, and it's got, again, some beautiful iridescent. It's so pretty. I don't want to like make a mess. I had a mess, so like a huge mess when I was making these, but so pretty. And then I'm going to be making some winter collection projects after I get done with Christmas. And I have two different collections that I'm going to be working with, which are mostly blues and whites and like things like that. So I created this one called Winter Ice, and it's just like a blue mix. It's super pretty. So I just used all of these shades of blue that I just recently hauled from C. Cartwright. And I just think it's so pretty. So pretty. I can't remember. I think, oh, you know what? Actually, I did have a very small amount of a mix that I used from the Magical Mixery shop in this one. And it had like little tiny, like penguin. No, what was it? Was it this one? Yeah, there's some like little sprinkles in here. Yeah, that's right. This one was the very tiny bit of a base from her, and then I added a ton of blue shades. But there were some like little tiny, I think it was like penguins, or now I don't remember, but I can't see anything in the mix, and I just don't remember exactly. But yeah, so blue mix that's called Winter Ice. And then I also created one that's just going to be mainly for springtime, and it's called Happy Spring. And this one is just all the beautiful pastel colors that we love so much in that time of year. Obviously, I'm just thinking ahead for spring, but it is so pretty. Very pale pinks and purples and peaches and yellows, and it's just so pretty. Yeah, so that's everything that I've created today. I made a ton, obviously. I just wanted to have a bunch of sequin mixes on hand to work with, and I'll create more. I just wanted to, stop with these, and yeah, so that's all I made today with sequin mixes. If anyone has any questions, please let me know. If you've not already, I'd greatly appreciate if you would consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, everyone.